guys, what's up? Welcome back to Thriftmas day 4. Wait, is today day? No, today is Thriftmas day 5. Yeah, so I'm actually doing Thriftmas this year. This is my sister Sarah. And instead of doing Vlogmas, how all YouTubers do Vlogmas, I'm doing Thriftmas. So, and I'm a seller on Poshmark. Well, other people have done this before. So I'm a seller on Poshmark too, if you guys are new here, if you didn't know that. So I'm doing like tips and tricks and then thrifting every day and doing hauls and things related to like reselling and thrifting. Yeah, we're gonna go to Savers today. It's a snowstorm, and what better way to spend this snowy day than thrifting. I feel like whenever it's snowy out, I just always want to go thrifting. So that's what we're gonna go do. And yeah, see you guys when we get to the thrift store. Okay, so we are now in Savers, and I found a few things that I really like, so I wanted to show you guys. But this Savers in Massachusetts is so expensive. I'm at the Wilmington location, and they're always so expensive, and I can never get anything because the prices are just like really crazy here. But I wanted to show you this. I'm not gonna get it, but I love this. I love fleece like jackets that are like quarter zip, so I can like put them over like leggings in the winter. And this one's from US Polo. And then I also found this really cool vintage sweatshirt, but this one's also like really overpriced, and like I don't really want to pay $10 to like resell this because I will only probably make like 15-20 on it, so it's really just not even like worth that price. Okay, so I'm now in the dressing room, and this Savers, like what I was saying, is so expensive. I can't even buy a sweatshirt or a hoodie for less than $10. Like everything's always over $10, and it's like if you're a reseller, then how can you make a profit off that, you know? And sometimes I don't like coming to this one, but this Savers is the closest one to like where I live, so I like to just check it out every once in a while. But I like to just come here to like shop for myself because honestly, like to be completely honest, these Savers, like I wouldn't be able to make any profit off this on buying anything from here unless I was selling it for like crazy vintage prices, like how much like the Vintage Twin, if you guys have never heard of them. They're a vintage shop in New York, and their prices are like so expensive. Like when you go to certain vintage stores, their prices are a little bit overpriced. Like I would have to price my sweatshirt for like $50 because that's the only way that I would be able to make a profit, because Poshmark, I sell on Poshmark, and they take 20% off from like what you get. And usually on Poshmark, the way that it works is a lot of people are shopping on the app for like discounts. A lot of the time I get offers for my listing, so I don't actually get the amount that I put it up for. Sometimes I do. Buyers will just buy like right off the bat, but a lot of the times buyers will counter offer me. And with this Savers, like there's no way that I could make any money off of it. But yeah, we're just gonna try on some of this stuff because I found a few sweatshirts for myself, so I'm gonna start trying on. Okay, so this is the first thing that I'm trying on. This is a Mickey Mouse crew neck sweatshirt that my sister's boyfriend gave to me. It's actually a vintage one from his family. Yeah, it doesn't really go with like the jacket that I have on, but this is the first thing that I'm trying on, and it's just this vintage jacket, and there's like this leather piece right here, like the two panels right here. And I've been seeing like this style so much in like jeans. I saw Kendall Jenner wear jeans that looked just like this, but just like in a pant style, and she actually wore it from like Sammy Monroe, I think that's how you say her name. She's a vintage fashion designer, high-end designer, and I don't know, this just reminds me of a lot like her style. So I don't know, I really like it. What do you think, guys? Should I get it? This is actually really cool. And there is actually a stain right here. So this jacket is $16, which is actually pretty pricey. Like if I went to Plastow, New Hampshire, this jacket would probably be around 10. So I don't know. What do we think, guys? Or like even less than that, like $9.99 or like $8, and it's 16 here. But like I like how oversized it is, and it's really different, and it's like popular, like the new trend, and it's like that 80s acetone wash, and like the 80s era is like coming back. So I don't know. So this is the next piece. I'm not going to try it on because I kind of just bought it to resell. This is a Nike hoodie and it's $3.99. So I feel like that's a pretty fair price, and I can probably get around $20 if I sold it for $25 on Poshmark if I were to like tie-dye bleach it. So I think I'm going to get this top to resell. For some reason my camera is not focusing, so I'm going to show you guys like this. This is the next sweatshirt. This is actually a Disney World sweatshirt, and it's not vintage, but I thought it was really cute. And let's see if it works now. It's a little bit better. Okay, I fixed it. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. I like it. I think I might get this one to resell. Okay, so this is the next piece. I love like fleece pullovers like this, and this one's actually from Montreal, my favorite city in the world. I like the leaves here. It reminds me so much of fall, but this is like a really nice fall pullover sweatshirt. And I don't know, like we're like in winter now basically because it's snowing today. I don't know, I really like this. It's really comfortable and soft. What do you guys think? I really like this. Okay, so like what I said, these prices are absolutely ridiculous, and this is $11.99. Okay, I would probably sell this on my Poshmark for like $32. So that's like not even worth it to me, completely honest, because it probably would sell on my Poshmark for $25, and then Poshmark takes a fee out. So like there's no point in that. So this is a no, but I love it. Okay, so this is the next top, and I'm going to try it on because it's just a basic hoodie, and I like to buy these because a lot of you guys like them, and I usually sell them on my Poshmark for about $25, and I love that this one's Martha's Vineyard, and this is a really reasonable price. It's $3.99, so it's $4, and this is I'm gonna get this one. Okay, this is the next top. I'm so obsessed with this. This is like a Starbucks sweatshirt, and it just has like the mermaid or the girl or like whatever the Starbucks logo is, like doing like this, and I feel like I would literally wear this every single day, like on my like comfy like lazy days like list on Poshmark. What do we think, guys? Is this a vibe? Okay, this is the next top. It's a Beverly Hills Vintage California crewneck black sweatshirt. I thought I was gonna like this a lot more than I do, but I don't think I really like it. Like for myself, like I feel like I always wear like leggings, so like black on black to me, like I'm not really sure if I like that. So I think I'm gonna buy this, definitely resell, but I really thought I was gonna buy this to like keep for myself. I'm not even gonna try this one on. I'm going to buy it to tie-dye bleach it because I just like Nikes, and I actually might crop it too. Alright, so this is the last thing that I am trying on. It's a New England Patriots Champions, what is this? I don't even know, I can't see if there's a date on it, but it's just, oh, it's 2003, and I really like this one. I have been like on the lookout to pick up more Patriots everything, so I'm definitely getting this one. I love picking up anything Patriots because they do so well on my Poshmark, and sweatshirts like this I don't mind paying up for them because they do really well, and I can get that like that $30 or $40 for the sweatshirt because people buy it like right off the bat, and they know that like obviously there's not a lot on like Poshmark and Depop right now because everyone's buying them. So they're in high demand, so that's why they do so well if they're a little bit more expensive at the thrift stores. So I'm definitely getting this one. This is actually the last piece. This is a Thrasher hoodie, and I sold one, but I didn't really sell for that much, so I think I'm going to pass on this one. I don't know. Like, I would love to know why this is $11.99. So expensive. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys what I ended up getting really quickly. I found out why the prices are different. It's because every Sears they have like people who like go over the condition and stuff, so they don't look at like the labels, like the tags on them. They kind of just like look through the like item. And yeah, so they kind of just look through the item, and that's why they kind of rate like how much this top is or like how much this top is. So yeah, basically I just wanted to let you guys know that the Wilmington Sears in Massachusetts is always crazy expensive. Like, not crazy expensive, like you can buy things like for yourself and it's like fine, but if you're a reseller, like there's just like absolutely no point in even going there because like you're not making a profit off anything. So I like to not go there to like buy for my store. I like to just go there to like buy for myself. I don't know, but if you guys live around the area, don't go to that Savers because you're looking for like cheaper prices to like resell items. Go to other places like the Danvers location, and actually sometimes at the Danvers location they have pricey items, but like definitely go to all the Savers in New Hampshire because that's like where it's at. Like those prices are like everything. So yeah, we're gonna go through the things that I ended up getting. I'm gonna have to show you guys like this. So I ended up getting that Patriots sweatshirt. This one I'm going to resell on my Poshmark because all of you guys love anything Patriots. I ended up getting this Martha's Vineyard. I like the green color of this, so I ended up getting this to resell as well, and the price was really good for this sweatshirt. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a chance on this one. This Nike sweatshirt was really overpriced, but I wanted to get this to crop it and to tie-dye bleach it. And if you guys haven't watched any of my videos before, I like to tie-dye bleach some items that have like stains and just like give like the item a little bit more of a custom look. So that's what we're gonna do to that because that was just like really overpriced, and I feel like if I bleach and customize it, I can raise the price a little bit more. I ended up getting this Beverly Hills crew neck sweatshirt, the one that you guys saw me try on. I'm gonna sell it because I think I might wear it once and then sell it on my Poshmark, but I'm still debating on it. It's the colors that are like throwing me off. The next thing that I ended up getting was that Nike top that I didn't try on, but it's a hoodie and it's just like a light sweatshirt. It looks like this. I'm like kind of showing you can't really see, but it looks like this. And I'm going to tie-dye bleach this one as well and crop it. I had one just like this, but it was navy blue, and it actually sold at a flea market because I do the Providence flea market in the summer. So it sold there, and I found this one and it was a really good price. I wanted to get this because I can actually make a profit off it. And the next item is this Mickey Mouse Disney World sweatshirt. This one was also like ridiculously overpriced, and it kind of makes me mad. Like I don't even know why I bought it, to be completely honest, but we'll see. We will put it on Poshmark. We're gonna have to raise the prices, and like you guys are probably like, why do you put your prices at these prices like on my Poshmark? But like things that I pay up for, I have to put them more on my Poshmark because then I don't get like, I'm also trying to work here too, you know, I'm trying to make myself a living, so I have to raise the price on this. And this is actually a really awesome sweatshirt, so I think it'll do really good. I ended up getting the Starbucks sweatshirt because my sister Sarah told me that she would probably wear it all the time too. So, and she also said if I didn't get it, then she would get it. And like, you know, when anyone says that, you're like, oh no, like I'm getting it. So like, yeah, I basically bought it because of peer pressure. And then the last thing that I ended up getting, I really told myself I did not need any more coats because I wear like the same 3 coats all the time, especially denim. Like I feel like I never wear denim besides my Sherpa denim in like winter. But yeah, I ended up getting this one. This one was $16 and it has the panels, but I feel like it's just like super trendy and I can wear it and I can also sell it and make the same price off of it. Like I'm not gonna like sell it for like a crazy amount on Poshmark. Like if I were to sell it after like wearing it, I would be able to like make the money that I bought on it like back, if that makes sense. So I would be able to make the 16 back. So yeah, I'm really happy about these items that I ended up getting. I feel like I'm like this. I'm really happy about the items that I ended up getting, and I hope you guys are enjoying these little come thrifting with me's and these tips and tricks on Poshmark and how to like sell and these little hauls too. But yeah, we are going to go back home and to wash these clothes that we just ended up getting. But I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, which is going to be Thriftmas day 6. Bye.